So good morning everyone. Today in this class, I will continue chapter number 7, conservation of plants and animals. So children, yesterday we started reading the chapter and we learned about the deforestation, cause of deforestation and effects or you can say consequences of deforestation. That what are the consequences of deforestation? That it may lead to droughts, desertification, flood, and losing the fertility of soil. Even we read the about the protected area like wildlife sanctuary, national park, and biosphere reserve. We have read about this. Next, we read about the biosphere reserve that the Panchmari biosphere reserves consist one national park and two wildlife sanctuaries are included there. So today we'll continue the rest part of the chapter, that is flora and fauna. Already in the definitions you have done the meaning of flora and fauna, that is plants and animals of that particular place are known as flora and fauna, and already children, that are the wealth of our country. So I want you to start reading that
Ma'am,
flora
can I?
and fauna. Yes, Pratyush, continue.
Okay, ma'am. 7.5 Flora and Fauna. As the children walk around the biosphere reserve, they can appreciate the green wealth of the forest. They are very happy to see tall teak trees and animals inside the forest. Suddenly, Paheli finds a rabbit and wants to catch it. She starts running after it. Professor Ahmed stops her. He explained that animals are comfortable and happy in their own habitat. We should not disturb them. Madhavji explains that some animals and plants typically belong to a particular area. The plants and animals found in a particular area are termed flora and fauna respectively of that area.
Okay, thank you, Beta. So children underline plants and animals means flora and fauna found in a particular place, they are referred as. So here are few of the sal, teak, mango, jamun, silver fern, arjun, etc. are the flora. And these are the names of the animals. These are the fauna of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Okay, let's continue on the next page. Now, after this Biosphere Reserve, we will switch to the endemic species. What do you mean by endemic and endangered species? Okay, Veronica, continue.
7.6 Endemic species. Soon the group quietly enter the deep forest. Children are surprised to see a very big squirrel. This squirrel has a big fluffy tail. They are very curious to know about it. Madhav Ji tells them that this is also known as the giant squirrel and is endemic to this area.
So, children,
Endemic species
okay,
are
beta, thank you. So, Sachi, continue. Before going for this endemic species, you should know the definition of endemic species. So, already we have done in the misunderstood words. Let's recap it. Continue, Sachi.
Ma'am, from endemic species, I lost it
Yes.
when from endemic species. No. Endemic species are those species, plants, and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. They are not naturally found anywhere else. A particular type of animal or plants may be endemic to a zone, a state, or a country. Madhavji shows sal and wild mango as two examples of the endemic flora of the
Children, underline this.
Panchmari.
Underline sal and wild mango are the example of endemic flora. Means these are the examples of the plants of Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Continue. Bison.
Ma'am,
Bison,
which is the
Indian giant.
example of silent wild mango?
Yes, beta. Sal and wild mango are the examples of endemic flora. Endemic flora means these are particularly found in that particular area. We are talking about the Panchmari Biosphere Reserves. Next, bison, giant, Indian giant squirrel, and flying squirrel are endemic flora. Flora means animals which are found in the biosphere reserve. Continue, beta.
Professor Ahmad explains that the destruction of their habitat, increasing population, and introduction of new species may affect the natural habitat of endemic species and endanger their existence.
Okay, thank you. So children, we have done the examples of flora and fauna. So they are found in a particular area. Endemic species, the definition is clear to you. Now they are found in a particular area. So 2 to 3 examples we have done of flora and fauna. Okay, Geet, continue. Next is the definition of species. What do you mean by species? Here in this
Species
box.
is a species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. This means that the members of a species can reproduce fertile offspring only with the members of their own species and not with the members of other species. Members of a species have common characteristics.
So I think the definition of species is clear to you. A group of population, when they interbreed with the members of their own species only, not of the other species. Okay. So this is the exact definition of species. So this for the biosphere reserve and endemic species. After that, we'll switch to the wildlife sanctuary. So Sarthak Sehgal, continue. Wildlife sanctuary. What does it mean?
Soon Paheli sees a border with Panchmari Wildlife Sanctuary. Written on it, Professor Ahmed explains that killing or capturing animals in general is strictly prohibited and punishable by law in all such places. Wildlife sanctuary like reserve forests provide protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. He also tells them that people living in wildlife sanctuaries are allowed to do certain activities such as grazing by their livestock, collecting medical plants, firewood, etc.
Okay,
It is
thank you. Okay, thank you. So, children, what is done in the wildlife sanctuaries like reserve forest? They provide protection, suitable living conditions to the wild animals. So, these all facilities are provided in the wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, so you just need to take care of it. And here are few examples. Sarthak Singh, you can continue in this yellow box. Some of the examples has been given of wild animals.
Some of the
Threatened,
here
threatened.
threatened wild animals like duck, black duck, white-eyed duck, elephant, golden cat, pink-headed duck, uh, gharial, marsh crocodile, python, uh, rhinoceros, etc. are protected and preserved in our wildlife sanctuaries. Indian sanctuaries have
Okay, beta. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Aryan Shinde, you can continue.
It is a pity that even protected forests are not safe because people living in the neighborhood encroach upon them and destroy them. Children are reminded of their visit to the zoo. They recall that zoos are also places where animals receive protection. On the roadside, there was another board on which was written
Okay, beta.
Satpura
Okay, thank
National
you,
Park.
Aryan. Kindly stop it. After that, children, in this we have seen that few of the threatened wild animals like black buck, wild-eyed buck, etc. These all animals are protected and preserved in our wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, so next we'll talk about the national park. That what do you mean by a national park? Okay, Samrid, you can continue, and after that, Harshit Tyagi. Samrid not able to hear. Speak loudly.
Yes, ma'am. National Park. On the roadside, there was another board on which was written.
Not coming.
Voice is okay. Harshit Tyagi, you can continue from the second paragraph. Children are now eager to go there. Voice is there, Samrit, but it's very, very less. Not able to hear. Harshit Tyagi, continue.
Children are now eager to go there. Madhavji tells that these reserves are large and diverse enough to protect whole sets of ecosystem. They preserve flora and fauna, landscape, and historic objects of an area. Satpura National Park is the first reserve forest of India. The finest Indian teak is found in this forest. There are more than 100 national parks in India.
So, children,
Rock shelter.
okay, thank you. So, children, today's your work is to find few of the national parks, name of that national parks, and kindly write on the left side of your notebook, so that you should know about the national parks, even the wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. Kindly find any five, okay, and write in your notebook on the left side.
Ma'am, national park.
Yes, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves. Three of them.
Ma'am, Jim Corbett,
No, beta, don't tell me.
Kaziranga
Kindly write down.
National Park.
Yes. Kindly write down in your notebook, and rest of the part will be continued later. So next we are going to study about the Project Tiger. What is this Project Tiger? What is the aim of the Project Tiger? Why it has been launched, or why it has been named like this, and endangered animals, that we'll be studying in the next class about the Project Tiger.